Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your TP-Link Deco mesh for Matter devices step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your TP-Link Deco mesh system is powered on. Locate the reset button on your Deco unit. The reset button is usually found on the bottom or the back of the device. Using a paper clip or a pin, press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the LED indicator blink orange, which indicates that the reset process has started. Release the reset button once the LED turns solid red. Wait for the Deco unit to reboot, which may take a minute or two. Once the LED indicator starts blinking blue, the device is in setup mode. Download the TP-Link Deco app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Open the Deco app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Tap on the plus icon in the app to add a new Deco unit. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your smartphone to the Deco device's Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect the Deco unit. The app will guide you through connecting the Deco unit with your existing mesh network. Once setup is complete, the LED should turn solid blue, indicating a successful connection. Test your Matter devices to ensure they are properly connected to the Deco mesh network. You're now ready to enjoy seamless connectivity with your Matter devices. For any troubleshooting, refer to the TP-Link support page for additional assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.